morning children. Welcome to Narayana live classes. Today we are going to discuss assignment on the topic drainage from class 9th. Let us see the first question is. Our first question is name the river that flows parallel to Himalayas. First question is name the river name the main water basin, name the main water basin water basin divide in peninsular India. Water divide in peninsular India. So answer is the main water divide in peninsular India is formed by Western Ghats, which are run from north to south, very close to west coast. So here the main water divide in peninsular India is Western Ghats, formed by the Western Ghats, and they are run from the north to south direction and very close to the west coast. Let us see the second question is name the two west flowing peninsular rivers. Name two west flowing peninsular rivers. Which make estuaries. Answer is river Narmada and river Tapi. River Narmada and river Tapi, both the rivers they are flowing towards the west direction and finally they makes the estuaries. Let us see the third question is what is the length of river Godavari? Third question is what is the length of river Godavari? Answer is 1500 kilometers. So from its Mouth to face to mouth, total river Godavari is flowing nearly 1500 kilometers from Maharashtra, Telangana and Andhra Pradesh, and finally it joins with Bay of Bengal. And then go with the fourth question is, the Narmada basin creates, fourth question is, river Narmada basin creates many picturesque locations. Many picturesque locations. Name any two of them. Name two of them. Name two of them. Answer: Marble Rocks, Marble Rocks in Jabalpur, and Marble Rocks in Jabalpur and Dhodar Falls. Dhodar Falls. These two are two picturesque locations which are formed by the river Narmada basin. Okay, let me erase this. Then come to the fifth question is, from which place Narmada river from which place Narmada river basin rises. Narmada river basin rises. Answer is in Amarkantak Hills. Amarkantak Hills in Madhya Pradesh state. Madhya Pradesh state. Let us see the sixth question is, where does the river Topi rises? Where does the river Tapi rises? Answer is in Satpura ranges. Satpura ranges in Baitul district of Madhya Pradesh. Baitul district of Madhya Pradesh. Okay, then go with the seventh question is, name the major west flowing rivers of, name the major west flowing rivers of the Western Ghats. Rivers of the Western Ghats. Answer. River Sabarmati, River Mahi, River Bharatpuzha, and River Periyar. So these are the rivers which they are flowing towards the west, and they had the origin from the Western Ghats. Let us see, the next question is, name the tributaries of river Godavari. Eighth question is, name the tributaries of river Godavari. Answer is River Purna, River Varda, River Pranahita, River Manjira, River Vainaganga, and River Penganga. These are the rivers which they are the tributaries of river Godavari. Let us see, the next question is, which river is known as Dakshin Ganga? Which river is known as Dakshin Ganga? Answer is River Godavari. River Godavari is known as Dakshina Ganga because as it is flowing nearly 1500 kilometers in South India. So the longest river in the North India is River Ganga with 2500 kilometers of length, and this river Godavari is flowing nearly 1500 kilometers in South India. So that's why it is known as Dakshin Ganga. Then let us see, the 10th question is, let me erase this first of all. So 10th question is, name the scheme undertaken by the government of Madhya Pradesh, the government of Madhya Pradesh, government of Madhya Pradesh for the Narmada River Conservation Mission. For the Narmada River Conservation Mission. Answer is Navami Devi Narmada. Answer is Namami Devi Narmada. So this is the scheme which is launched by Madhya Pradesh for River Narmada Conservation Mission, which is named as Navami Devi Narmada. Let us go with the map pointing. That is the 11th question. So let us see the first river, that is River Satluj, which has its origin from Himachal Pradesh and flow towards the Punjab, and in Pakistan it joins with River Indus. And then River Ganga. River Ganga had its origin by joining of two tributaries, Alkananda and Bhagirathi, and then it formed as River Ganga and flow towards the southeast direction. In Bangladesh it joins with the Bay of Bengal. And River Kosi, which is the tributary of River Ganga, which had its origin in Nepal Himalayas and flow towards the south. And River Lohit, which is a tributary of Brahmaputra, and it flow in Arunachal Pradesh. And then River Betwa. River Betwa had its origin in Madhya Pradesh and it joins with River Yamuna. So it is a tributary of River Yamuna. And then River Narmada had its origin from the Madhya Pradesh and flow towards the west and joins with the Arabian Sea. And then River Godavari. River Godavari had its origin in Maharashtra and it flowed through the Telangana and Andhra Pradesh, and finally it joins with Bay of Bengal. And River Penganga, which is one of the tributary of River Godavari, it joins with the River Godavari. Okay children, and thank you very much and have a nice day. Stay home, stay safe.